Okay, I've got the refrigerant R718 here. It's liquid at room temperature. And over here I've got a subcooling right now of 133.9 degrees. If I go over here, temperature of the liquid right now is 78.3 degrees here. And this refrigerant happens to boil at 212. That's R718. And so you take 212, which is boiling, subtract off 78, there's the subcooling. So it's cooled less than it would be at boiling. Now, if this water was at 211, you'd have 1 degree of subcooling. If it was 210, you'd have 2 degrees of subcooling. But since it's cooled so far down, we have more subcooling. And that's really what subcooling is. Got the pressure here measured on these is ambient. That's why it says 0 psi A. G, that's with respect to gauge pressure. And here we go, I'm measuring the temperature of the liquid. So there's the subcooling. And I'm just flipping through the test over here. It's 212.